Well, it's just Cody, Max, and I, and we're gonna go ripping up through the trees here. Who wants the lead? Max is the leader. Go wherever you want. Oh no! You just missed it.
I got gnarly quick.
Yeah.
I hit a tree in the first 2 feet.
I think I'll be able to get up there.
Oh yeah.
Nice. Okay, where do we go that steep?
Towards that face or?
Yeah, we could go that way. That got steep right there.
Okay.
You got it, Max? Line.
Yeah, that was fun.
That was so neat, that sidehill pillow thing.
Yeah, that was cool how we dropped off the back.
And it was like, it was blind.
Yeah.
There's Cody.
I got a stick in my eye.
Wow.
Oh my god, please get the snow out of my neck. It is so cold.
Oh yeah. It's so bad.
Oh my god, it's so cold. I've been riding for the last like 5 minutes like this. Oh.
Yeah. Here we go again.
don't need that much. Thank you. Oh boy, that was fun.
I love this. Look at where we are.
Hey, I know this place.
And now we're going down. Down, down, down. Which, like, if you can't tell, this is pretty steep. Are we committed?
Either way?
Oh yeah, we can get out lots of ways.
Oh, okay. Well, there's nothing.
Is this a drop off?
There's a bench down there, but she'll be a paddle slide.
Well, good luck.
Thanks for leaving the snow for me.
This is very steep. Just so you're aware.
Things we do.
I think this is my favorite downy of the year. What do you figure, Max?
I like it.
Yeah, this is awesome.
Probably the steepest downy I've done in a while.
Yeah, I haven't done anything like that in a long time.
Yeah. Oh, old tracks.
I was just thinking that.
How sad. so fun just to spend a couple of hours trying to get back up what we just dropped. Just came partway back up it, but man, that would be fun. Where's Cody going? Hey Max, you okay? You're just beeping on the radio, Max. Do 3 beeps if you're okay. Awesome. Okay. Yeah, we just can't hear you. Cody's just got on a little tree here, but we're gonna come back down. I just got excited and went back up.
Okay, copy that. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, we can hear you now.
Okay, cool. I think I'm just a little bit more left than you guys. I went up once and then came back down, but I'll catch my breath and wait for you.
Sounds good. Cody, doesn't that look so fun to try to get up?
Bro, that is so steep.
It is so stupid.
Like, I would keep trying, but like, it's f***ing steep, man.
Yeah, it's not worth it at this time of day, but like, that's the next challenge. This is the saddle I'm thinking about. Nope, not quite. It's over a bit more. Hello, Cody. Did you make it up? You all right?
Yeah, I'm gonna need help.
Oh, no.
It's not broken at all. I literally slid in with it, holding onto it.
So this is a good example of, I knew Cody had come up this line, but I didn't have like eyes on him. But it's really good that I knew where he was, because in a situation like this, turn out he could be under his sled pin right now, and I wouldn't really know where he is, or maybe he couldn't even get to his radio. No, the saddle is over there.
Oh, was it?
But maybe that's not even doable. Maybe this is what's doable. Oh, there's Cody's sled.
I made a mistake.
In case you missed it. It's right there.
Can I get some big strong men to help me with this? It's kind of in there.
I think sled shoveling.
So shoveling. What's a shovel?
Oh, got it looped around. A little bit of damage there.
I didn't hear one crunch.
Wow.
It was muffled by the snow.
Yeah.
Well,
I mean, pretty lucky considering how far the sled came down and then in there.
Upside down. In
Yeah.
the
Cody and Max are fixing that up. Gonna go down here while it's still daylight. See if there's a better way up. Well, I think the nice saddle that I envisioned in my, in my head doesn't exist. There's this cool spot. This ain't a saddle. Unless it goes up nicely over there. And nope. It's 4 o'clock. Getting dark. I'll go a little bit further. There might be a bit better of one right there. That's why you shouldn't ride by yourself. It's dumb. Pretty minor one, pulled it back. You had to come around. My mistake was looking up too far and not realizing what was going on right here. Well, waiting on Max and Cody. The scouting mission for the saddle didn't go very well. There's not really an easy out, so we're gonna take the way that we know, get back up onto the top of the ridge, and then head out that way. Time to put the helmet light on the helmets because it's 4:15 and it's gonna be getting dark here pretty quick. So there they are, fixed up.
Oh yeah, bud.
The scout mission didn't go very well.
Yeah.
No, I went up here and then it's like, yeah, we could do it, but like not right now.
That's cool. My fingers are cold.
Yeah, we'll just head out.
We're both wrong, Max.
About what?
We made a bet on how many times Max is gonna have to ask you, can we go home now? And I said 3. He was thinking 3 or 4. You were clearly wrong.
Yeah, I'm trying to be smart. Okay, let's make a mile. We got our headlamps on. This has got to be the worst part.
This is definitely the worst part.
Down the trail we go. Well, that was a super fun afternoon with Cody and Max. My favorite part of the day was going down that super steep downhill through the trees. None of us have been down that hill or have even been at the bottom of that hill. I kind of knew the terrain, but I had no idea if it was going to cliff out or what. So it was a bit of a gamble. We won that by all getting to the bottom in one piece, not having to do like a shovel out or anything crazy like that, which was nice considering what time it was in the day. Yeah, that was a lot of fun. It really has me thinking if it would actually be possible to go back up that. And it's probably something that I'm going to try to do in the future and do it at the beginning of the day to make it kind of like an all-day challenge kind of thing. I think that would be a lot of fun. Let me know in the comments whether or not you think that hill would be possible or not. You know, I'm really on the fence, and there's only one way to find out, I guess. So you might see it in a future episode attempting to go back up that. I think it'd be a challenge. So hope you enjoyed this Mountain Standard Time episode. Stay tuned for next Thursday's video. There's a new upload every week at 1:16 Mountain Standard Time. Thanks for watching.